perigee of Discovery's orbit by a nautical mile from 305 to 304. That'll serve to speed Discovery up a little bit and scoot past and ahead of the predicted conjunction target. Again, that's been identified as a rocket body. Even though we are committed to the maneuver, and the maneuver will sufficiently remove Discovery from the region of the conjunction, our flight dynamics officer continues to work and coordinate with tracking resources around the world to follow the progress of the rocket body and to watch the divergence from that conjunction as Discovery maneuvers. This is Mission Control Houston. Discovery is continuing to drift into attitude for the reaction control system maneuver. They're in a payload bay to Earth tail forward maneuver. They'll be firing aft RCS thrusters to slow the vehicle and drop it to a slightly lower perigee. Again, it's a 2 foot per second burn that'll lower the perigee of Discovery from 305 to 304. It'll serve to accelerate the vehicle a little bit with relation to the conjunction point and scoot Discovery out ahead of that conjunction point. Again, the latest predictions from tracking resources around the world show that the conjunction will in fact fall within our collision avoidance limits, and the decision has been made to press ahead with the burn.
Discovery Houston for JO.
Bad, Jen.
JO, based on our latest numbers, we do have a third confirmation on the conjunction. You are go for the burn on time.
Okay, I understand. Go for the burn on time. Discovery for ESC.
Go ahead, Mark.
I guess I lost track of the scheme of events here. Are you going to give me a call when you're ready for this 3-image sequence?
Yeah, Mark, we're all configured here, but we're afraid we might have some comm dropouts due to the maneuver and the burn, so we'll let you know after that.
Okay, just let me know whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Flight Dynamics Officer reports that Discovery is now in the maneuver attitude. And that's a beta Earth tail forward attitude. From that position, Discovery's aft reaction control system thrusters will fire to slow the vehicle down and drop it slightly in orbit at a rate of about 2 feet per second. As preparations for the burn continue, flight controllers here on the ground are looking ahead at the timeline after the completion of the maneuver to recontinue the fluid test article operations for the mid-deck zero gravity dynamics experiment, as well as watching for an opportunity to downlink some additional images from the electronic still camera. The mode activities have been put on hold while the maneuver is completed. It's very important that we maintain a gravity gradient attitude in which no reaction control system thrusters will fire. Is continuing to orbit in the gravity gradient mode. That is an attitude in which the orbiter relies on the stability of the stabilizing forces of the Earth's gravity and the traces of atmosphere at the altitude they're orbiting at right now to provide for stability in orbiter attitude. The reaction control system thrusters are inhibited at this point to avoid any firings that might disturb the ongoing progress of the fluid test apparatus operations on the middeck.
Discovery Houston for ESC, we're ready for the downlink if you're ready.
We'll be right there, Ken.
Okay.
Okay, Houston Discovery, we're going to start the ESC transmissions, and we'll follow the profile per time as you directed.
Okay, thanks. We're ready.
Transmission complete.
Copy. Stand by. Discovery Houston for Mark. We're ready for the last transmission.
Okay, it's coming down. Transmission complete.
Copy, Mark. Thanks a lot.
Okay, what's the plan now? Do you want me to keep this disk as it is and preserve these 3 only for repeat transmissions, or what do you want to do?
Mark, we're reconfiguring now to the nominal config, and then you can downlink all of it.
Okay, I'll have to go back and tag them, and then we'll get ready to send them down.
Okay.